Okay guys, so please take note we're in the key of E flat major. Yeah, so what I played is a very simple one. Let me just play it for you. I hope you heard that. Okay, so it's the same thing, same thing, and is this. That's all. And that's what I played around later on when I added some extras. Okay, but basically what I was playing was on my left hand I'm playing the 5 chord, and that is B flat and F. Okay, I'm skipping that major third in middle, and just to make it less muddy like our left hand. Okay, so then on my right hand I'm playing 1 chord, which is the first inversion of the E flat major chord, and that is G, B flat and E flat. So all together it sounds like this, real nice. And the next chord is this, and that is the 4 chord, which is the A flat, E flat on my left hand. Then on my right hand I'm playing the B flat major chord second inversion, and that is F, B flat and D. Alright, then the next chord is being played on the 3. So on my left hand I'm playing the G, I'm playing G rather, okay, I'm playing G, then E flat. On my right hand I'm playing the first inversion of the E flat major chord, which is what I showed you before, that is G, B flat and E flat. Yeah, then the next chord is this, and it's kind of a stretch though, but it's not that much of a stretch. So on my left hand, like I'm assuming this is on the 2, okay, so just take note of that. So on my left hand I'm playing F, B and A flat. On my right hand I'm playing this just with 2 fingers, and that is like a triton. Okay. Okay, so that is B and F. Alright, anyhow you want to do it. So this is much more better because we're paying attention to that voicing. So that's basically all I played. It was just revolving around that, and later on I started adding some extras, so I'll show you the extras later.